Hey there, fellow affiliate marketers. Are you struggling to promote your affiliate products effectively? Do you want to learn how to use social media to drive more traffic and sales? Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to promote affiliate products using social media. The first thing you need to do is choose the right social media platforms for your audience. Identify which platform your target audience is most active on, and focus your efforts there. For example, if your audience is mostly millennials, then Instagram and Snapchat are good options. Next, create a compelling social media profile that clearly showcases your affiliate products. Use eye-catching visuals and engaging copy that clearly communicates the benefits of the products. Once you have your profile set up, it's time to start promoting your affiliate products. One effective way to do this is by creating valuable content that incorporates your affiliate links. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, you can create workout videos or healthy recipe posts that include your affiliate link. Another way to promote your affiliate products is by partnering with influencers in your niche. Reach out to influencers who have a similar target audience and see if you can collaborate with them. They can help promote your products to their followers, increasing your reach and credibility. Finally, use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Facebook and Instagram ads are a great way to target specific demographics and interests, making it easier to reach your target audience. In summary, to promote affiliate products using social media, choose the right platforms, create a compelling profile, create valuable content, partner with influencers, and use paid advertising. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or other tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.